20 million people from passing out every year has the same resume. One of the biggest mistakes that the students do is this: Control C, Control V. Out of every 100 messages that I get, 99.99 are looking for jobs. All right. So let's now talk a little bit more about why I'm here. What is it in for you? Why are you listening to a person standing on a Friday morning between the weekend? I want to tell you about the future of hiring in India. Anyone interested? Not interested in this topic? मैं गामा में जाकर के दूसरा जनरेट करवा लेता हूँ पट से. Not interested? Interested? Okay, good. So this session will actually help you understand the hiring landscape in India and possibly also help you land into your first job. Is it important to land into the first job?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, that's a loud yes. Loudest yes. Okay, the biggest question. Yeah? Yeah? This is the biggest question, right?
Yes, sir.
So इसका आंसर क्या है? The answer is obviously no. Yes? Who said yes? डिग्री चाहिए यार, रेज्यूमे में तो लिखना है ना कुछ. Okay, so the technology is evolving. We all know it's a rapid evolution. The organizations are trying to run behind and figure out कि क्या हो रहा है everywhere. Everything is all changing. So just the college degree is absolutely not enough. Demands are shifting. The college education is also shifting. I mean, from the traditional college, you guys have moved into a PW college, a PW Institute of Innovation. And this itself is a very, very fancy-looking organization. I mean, our office is exactly like this. I'd be happy to show you our office, and you would be surprised to see our office is exactly like this. Half the ceiling is naked and all that. This gives you a very corporate look or a very modern look, I would say, to modern look. Right? Everything is evolving. Everything is evolving. Just like your classroom, the traditional classroom, which had blackboards and whiteboards from the time I studied, to digital classes, to master classes from people on the industry, everything is changing. Everything is changing. And why are we changing that? Why are we changing? To adapt. To adapt. You know? The faster we learn, the faster it is. Because, I mean, 2 साल पहले तक तो no one knew that there is something called AI. No one was even talking about that. I mean, though the AI has been existing from a very long time, but no one was actually talking about. When everyone started talking about AI is when the AI started giving us answers back. Now it's a bigger problem. अरे उसने मेरे को जवाब दे दिया. क्या वो मेरी नौकरी खा जाएगा? All these questions came into picture in the last 2 years. Engineering कितने साल की होती है? तो तुमने तो यही पढ़ा ही नहीं था यार. तो फर्स्ट ईयर वाले बच्चे तो गए डब्बा गोल, नौकरी नहीं मिलने वाली, यही काम करेगा उनका. करेगा क्या? उनके प्रोजेक्ट सारे एआई नहीं बनाए ना. Who does not use AI today? Now, when you are in an organization, so first thing is, how many engineers do pass out from academic or colleges every year? Any guesses, any numbers? Yeah, every year approximately around 2 million people are kind of passing out from colleges every year now and then. So when you say that, how do you actually stand out of that 2 million person that you are the one to land into that particular job? How would you do that? So अपनी skill से अलग देखना पड़ेगा. Okay. So now one question. I go to all the colleges that I visit and ask one question. How many of you have got your resumes? और बाकी वो जिसका हाथ नीचे नहीं resume नहीं बनाया क्या आज तक? नहीं बनाए? Okay. The people with the hands up, I'll ask the question later, or I'll iterate that later. But the people who have not picked up the hand, अभी resume नहीं बनाए, कैसे बनाओगे resume?
By getting hands-on skill and by seeing the ones who have already created their resumes, so I can take reference from them.
Very valid point, है ना? By looking at the resume of someone who's actually created that resume. Okay, remember this word, someone who's created that resume. Okay, is that individual or someone exactly like what you are? Does he look like you, or he or she look like you? Does they matching your intellectual levels from same domain? So does that individual know तुमने certifications कौन सी करी है? एक आइडिया लग जाएगा, है ना? मतलब मोटा मोटा समझ में आ जाएगा हमें करना क्या है. One of the biggest mistakes that the students do is this. किसी की चाची की, ताई की, मामी की बेटी और बेटे ने रेज्यूमे बनाया होगा, हमने उसका लिया कॉपी और लिया Ctrl+C Ctrl+V। यही करते हो ना? I'll tell you the format of the resume that I've seen, and I can show you in my laptop right now that at least about 1,000 plus resumes I review every year, and all these resumes have the same format. You know what is the format of the resume? ऊपर में नाम होगा, नीचे में email address होगा, उसके बाद हमने क्या किया, what are the education that I've learned, and then you would have something like कोई छोटा मोटा प्रोजेक्ट किया होगा, उसमें सब जितने लोगों ने प्रोजेक्ट किया होगा, चाहे उसने खाली प्रोजेक्ट का फाइल बनाई होगी ना, वो भी लिखेगा मैंने ये प्रोजेक्ट किया है, and then at the end of the summary that you have will be your hobbies section, and the hobbies section for the guys will be playing cricket, listening to music. For girls will be playing badminton and listening to music and surfing internet. Yay template hai? Yeah? Not you guys, but 99% of India's the 20 million people from passing out every year has the same resume. Do you think you stand out? What will make you stand out? ये रेज्यूमे से तो भाई नहीं होने वाला। उसकी भी कॉपी करोगे? Today, I want everyone here to do one activity and take one learning when you go back home. When you go back home, take a blank piece of paper. खाली, कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ। Now you know the template, मोटा मोटा समझ में आ गया ना? हाथ से लिख के देना। If you manage to fill up one sheet of A4 paper, you will land into a job. और खुद से लिखना, देख के नहीं टेपना है, या ChatGPT से देख के नहीं करना। Write it by your own self. You know why? Why I say this? It's very difficult. वो रेज्यूमे में किसी ने कुछ ने सोच के लिखा था कि okay, I have done this particular project and this particular thing. वो सबने छाप दिया यार। What is your learning in that project is what you need to showcase. And that is what you will translate when you actually write down your own resume. And that's what I call build your own portfolio. How many of you use LinkedIn? What do you use LinkedIn for? Huh? Self-learning के लिए. Showcase ourselves. Okay, what is LinkedIn made for? Networking. How many of you actually use LinkedIn for networking? What happened to the people who know what LinkedIn was? How do you use network? How do you use LinkedIn for networking, sir?
सर कुछ लोगों से बात करके, जैसे सपोज आई एम डूइंग कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग, मतलब दोस्त हु आर गुड एट कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग, उनसे बात करके वो क्या किए है कुछ भी
ऐसे नेटवर्क करते हो, बताना नहीं है, सीक्रेट है ना। LinkedIn is a networking platform. There are so many people in so many people in LinkedIn who would have actually lived your life sometime back. When you are in a project or doing a project, why don't you connect to people and try to review, get your project reviewed, get some comments, some feedback about what you have done? Do you think it will make a difference? You know what is LinkedIn used for majorly? I can show you my LinkedIn. I'm an HR now. I can show you my LinkedIn. Out of every 100 messages that I get, 99.99 are looking for jobs. एक कोई भी आएगा वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए आएगा कि सर आई हैव अ कंसल्टेंसी, हम लोग काम कर सकते हैं क्या? मतलब एक भी नहीं आता ये पूछने के लिए कि आई हैव डन समथिंग लाइक दिस, कैन यू हैव अ लुक एट इट एंड टेल मी इफ आई एम डूइंग गुड और बैड. एक भी नहीं आता. आई एम श्योर व्हेन यू आस्क, most of the people will not reply. I am not bothered about that. I'm bothered about that one person who will actually reply. You come to me, I will reply. So use your networking skills. उससे दो चीजें हो रही हैं. Number one, you're learning from someone who's lived your or walked your path. Second, you are learning or you are making your network and you're actually telling everyone, चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रहे हो, I am here. If you are hiring, I am here. Someone who's known you by your projects or known you by what you have done would recognize or hire you much easily, or someone who does not even know you and you say, okay sir, ये है मेरा resume, I've done this projects, I am very proficient in data science and I'm proficient in machine learning and Python and this and that, please hire me. Will you hire someone like that? Will you hire someone like that?
Hello, sir. Myself Kushal from SOM.
Hi, Vishal.
Pursuing entrepreneurship and tech management. So, what qualities do you prefer when hiring for a startup as compared to a corporate?
So, first of all, what is the difference in a startup and a corporate?
Startup wants to start from baseline. They wants to scale exponentially. Means they want rapid growth.
Your hustle that you do. मेरे को इसका भी आंसर देना है, उसका भी आंसर देना है, इधर भी जाना है, उधर भी जाना है, क्लाइंट को भी मिलना है, टीम को भी एड्रेस करना है. Everything I have to do it all by myself.
Yes.
That's your company, that's your organization, right? Now, in a multinational company, there are different departments who are doing that. Now, obviously, these multinational companies would have started as a startup once upon a time, but now grown up, matured to a level where they have different teams handling different things, right? So, learning in a startup is much more because you get to do a lot of things because you have a handful of resources, and wherever the resources be fit, they kind of ask you to do that and all the other jobs. Versus in a multinational company, you are very focused on doing what you are supposed to do.
हेलो सर, माय नेम इज़ आदित्य.
Hi, Aditya.
सर अभी आपने मतलब जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन के बारे में बात की. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन यही था कि लेट्स से अ पर्सन हैज डोमेन नॉलेज लाइक टेक नॉलेज है. व्हाट यू एक्सपेक्ट एनी अदर थिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम द टेक नॉलेज और डोमेन नॉलेज, की एट्रीब्यूट्स फ्रॉम द फ्रेशर्स?
So, first thing that I want is you to be collaborative and you to learn and have the patience of learning new things. If you can do that, you probably would have a better edge. You master your transferable skills, you remember?
Yes, sir.
And if you master the transferable skills, most people are actually looking at that. Because there's a lot of people who would have problems with articulating what they want to say. Language is not a problem.
Yes.
Articulation is a problem. Because you will tend to speak in English, and because maybe I'm just saying, so you don't hold yourself accountable for that, or I'm not pointing or not cornering you, but maybe if your English is not so good, you will flunk and say, "Arey, sir, kya ho gaya? मेरे को English नहीं आती." But the most important thing is it's not about how you say it, it's about what you say in an interview. Language is just a medium of communication.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hey, hi, Amina.
How are you, sir?
Good?
Sir, my question is that as you have mentioned that you are from HR background.
Right.
So nowadays the industry trends are going like people are preferring work-life culture, their corporate culture. So they are leading the organization to a better organization, maybe in the foreign or abroad organization, in search of that. So what do you think that is this a problem is increasing in the organization, especially in Indian organization, and what are the key takes that the Indian organization are taking to retain their employees?
So retention, I just answered the question. Your point here is work-life balance and work-life. How do you manage your work-life balance, right? I'll answer your question in a very simple way. You can probably sit down. Okay. Now, when you are a bachelor, when you do not have any responsibilities, you do not have anything, all you have to do is just come to office and work and go home. How much time do you think you'll spend in an organization?
In office, 8 to 9 hours, I guess.
8 to 9
hours, yeah.
अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा काम हो गया फिर?
Maybe sometimes I'll do overtime.
Sometimes करोगे या फिर most of the time करोगे?
ज़्यादा टाइम रोज थोड़ी होगा.
मतलब करोगे है ना?
Yes, I'll.
अब तुम्हारी वाइफ आ गई, बच्चे आ गए, सब कुछ हो गया, शादी हो गई.
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to dedicate exactly the same amount of time that you are dedicating it now?
Not at all.
तो पहले क्यों कर रहे थे?
Because there was no other responsibility.
Why did you say no? Why did you say no? For not forgetting that you have enough bandwidth enough in your plate. Why didn't you talk to your manager and say, no, I have enough in my plate. Can you please let me finish this and then take another responsibility?
It won't create a rift between the manager and the employer. Maybe
there is a conflict. There is a polite way of saying no also, ना? तो ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते, अरे मेरे पास बहुत काम है, मैं नहीं करूँगा. But can you instead say, sir, currently I'm handling this project. Is it okay if I finish this project and then take up another one?
Yes, I can.
No ही बोला, but अलग प्यार से बोला.
Correct.
बोल सकते हो?
Correct.
जब पहले बोल देते तो तुम्हें वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस की इशू नहीं होता. Because you set up a wrong expectation at the beginning of your career, you are setting up your benchmark there. If you set up your benchmark incorrectly, it's not the company's responsibility to correct it. It's okay to say no when you have enough on your plate. जब भूख खत्म हो गई है, मेरे पास भूख ही नहीं है, मैं क्या खाऊंगा यार? So it's okay to say no. And we Indians have a very bigger problem of not knowing how to say no.
Yes, sir.
Learn the way of saying no.